He once loved a woman who burned like the sun, but even light fades when the night's begun. She left a scar where his heart once beat. Now he talks to the moon from an empty seat. The streets remember, the walls still breathe, the echo of a name beneath his teeth. He's traded hope for a glass of fire. Every sip takes him a little higher. He hums a tune only ghosts can hear, a song of love, regret and fear. The bartender nods, he's seen it before. Men like him broken to the core. And if you ask him what he's chasing, he'll say just time and it's wasting. Every sunrise feels like sin, every night he's born again. No redemption.